All right, we're looking for a drivable trail in Tuscarora State Forest. We're on Wind Gap Road, just coming off Licking Creek Road. It is the Tuscarora State Forest drivable trail. We'll see if we can get onto it, map it, and get some footage, some video of the drivable trail. If you don't know, in State Forest, drivable trails are kind of cool. They're a little bit more difficulties. It's not like just a gravel road. It's got a little bit more dirt, rut, some rocks. Nothing like a off-road park with obstacles. They're interesting. They're usually not gated. Those are usually open, given the fact that it's called a drivable trail. It should be. So we will get some footage, hopefully. A lot of times we come out to these areas uncertain if you're going to get a trail map because of a gate closing it off, especially when you narrow down your amount of trails that you can go to. We're already about an hour and 50 minutes, almost 2 hours on the drive from home to Tuscarora State Forest. So a little longer drive to get here. I'm on the border of my zone where I can gain some trails, map some trails for Onyx, certain zone perimeter. So we'll see how it goes. Lock video. So this is a trail, not even named, but yet it's a trail. I don't know where it goes to, but it's a track that I could probably take. So I'm going to try and see what we get. Not sure where it goes to. It goes from one main road to another main road. But I'm very slim pickings here, so I might just try to take it. And we're going to see. I'm also mapping the trail at the same time. So I'm going to need to get some pictures. Let's see what we got. We got to map it, Corey. You goof. All right, we're going to map it. I'm just going to see where we go with this. Pretty thick. Lots of brush. Nobody's been back here in a while, it looks like. Except me. Not sure if we got a clear path or what. Wow, very overgrown. Very overgrown. We may not be able to keep going on this path. It don't look good up here at all. I don't see a trail whatsoever. No. Now the trick will be backing out of your trick. I'll get footage going back, I guess. Woo! That is thick. Not gonna work, guys. Not going to work. That's what you do, I guess, when you're desperate. You find one trail, you just take it. All right, we found a trail that we can map. I got a couple pictures to start. A little parking area. This is just off of Licking Creek Road, Tuscarora State Forest, Bell Furnace Road. It's just a little small road cutting through the woods here. So we'll kind of take it and get our pictures. All right, we'll get a map and we'll get some pictures. We already have a couple. So let's see, are we mapping? We are Bell Furnace Road. It's kind of a dirt road. We'll get up here a little bit more from that parking spot. That's a point of interest. Furnace Road. Get up here, we'll snap another shot. Another little hole in right there, it looks like. Another little parking spot.